We had to average into it. We did that. Now it's upside, but whatever. All right, so there's 490. We actually took a piece out right now, so NVIDIA is back into Greensville for us, so that's good. But we only have half left. So right now we only have half left, but I'm pretty happy with these outs. 487, 488, 490. So I feel like that stair step right there kind of mimics this. So that's why
if you heat your home with LPG, oil, electricity, or solid fuel, the scheme is available for you.
And I feel like it's always data mining because you know what? If this stops at 486, I'm going to be like, oh man, we should have known 486 was the bottom, right? But you know, we just kind of pushed this back and had a look at this drop at noon right there, which was 485. So that was 44.50. So that gave me a little bit of confidence to put that trade on. Doesn't necessarily mean it's right. There's some outs there. We got that 77. We just talked about that. So we're getting lighter and lighter. We only have a third left.
Will resume at 10 hours, 1 minute and 15 seconds.
So far there today. I know it's, okay, what's up to Hamster? Anytime I see some people that are going to talk about a little bit of trade knowledge, let's do that. I know it's not smart to hold, but I am holding NVIDIA for the dream. Why would it not be smart? I mean, I feel the same way as you because it violated the VWAP, and that would be normally
ICCT.
Where we take it out right there. But, you know, we broke through 490 now. Let's just see if it goes. I don't know how many shares you have. I don't like the word of for the dream. If you have enough profit right now and you can take it out, it's 957, Hamster. You know, don't get caught in that wheel. Was that okay? Hamster wheel? Okay. Not that good, I can see. But anyways, don't get caught in that, man, and just make sure that you're making the right trades. The day is so young right now. That's the one thing I want to say, right? And so, but look at the NASDAQ. She be screaming, so that's a good one to the long side there. We know we wanted some MSFT long as well, Obi. And I know you're punching yourself because
I got out of the long, yeah.
You got out of the long, but imagine how we feel. You know, yesterday was a huge day up. Today could have easily pulled back, and again, still early, my guy. So let's see what happens
What's
here.
What's the next trade? That's what I'm
looking
exactly.
For, What's the next trade? Yep.
Really strong market here. Take a look at the ES, the NQ. We both of them kind of broke that pre-market kind of the morning session price action is being broken now. Something to consider. 2 more minutes till that number, right? The housing number. So I guess that's partially the reason why I kind of pieced off all of it right there. Although there wasn't really that much of a reason to sell other than, there might be some resistance underneath that 451. In terms of the tape, we were still holding, right? So the 10 a.m. number was partially the reason where I was like, maybe I should de-lev, and I was like, no. Yesterday with that 10 a.m. number, that kind of moved the whole market, and then that trend and that pressure kind of continued all the way into the close. So I'd rather be a little patient, give up a little bit of price to get that confirmation at 10 a.m. just to see if we're going to have some sort of crazy move or if we have nothing, right? So just for that 451 is still here. What are we looking like on Microsoft? Microsoft did break that high of pre-market, but still came right back down. But there is one name that is pushing, actually 2 names, I guess. Amazon as well kind of broke that pre-market high, but Apple is the strongest of them all. 186 doesn't look like there's anything stopping this name today, Sean. 186, 187 incoming. What's the next level here? I have 187-ish, just above 187 as a resistance. So it's about a point away. Now we know that Apple all day yesterday, just a slow grind up. Like if you took a long at any point on Apple yesterday, at any of these consolidations right here, you were almost never out of the money. Right? So straight grind up, very, very tight trending, very strong pressure on Apple, and it seems like today is just continuing.
Wrap for Holmes. What's up,
TIGR.
This segment of the show brought to you by Surge Trader, where traders can get a funded trading account up to $1 million. Keep 90% of the profits. The program has simple rules, no time limits. Go to surgetrader.com/TTV. Use promo code TTV for 10% off.
BEEP may
getting
resume
some
in less than a
housing
minute.
data, as we said there at 10 o'clock. U.S. pending home sales changed month over month. 0.9% to the upside versus a negative 0.9% downside expectation there. So much better than expected for U.S. pending home sales than first thought. Overall, market back to the upside we go, or trying to anyways. even as yields continue to fall. U.S. economic data at 8:30 if you missed it. Again, we got that second estimate for Q2 GDP that was better than expected as well. So a nice day, 2 days in a row here for the overall market, back higher overall. If you were with us in the first hour of the show, make sure you join us at 8:30 every single day. We talked about a whole bunch of things. VFS, one of those. Yeah, Jim Chanos calling VFS a $200 billion meme stock. Let's be honest, it has been for the first week or so. GBTC and all things crypto related back on watch. Microsoft back on watch. OpenAI comes out with new projections itself. $1 billion in revenue expected. Chinese ADRs, was mentioning, a lot stronger out of the gate than most. We get basically to break even for Alibaba. Bit of a pullback underway right now. Microsoft, on the other hand, trying to take out the highs, guys.
Very likely to be the price.
ACHR.
At 485.
DBG.
We're just talking about that
refund
NVIDIA.
revoked for NVIDIA. It owes us. So let's go right now. Not only is it a $1 club member, this is a $6 club member right now for NVIDIA as it just continues to go to the upside right now. We're at that 492. This is shout out to Hamster there. You're not caught in the wheel. It is moving to the upside right now, but it's having a little bit of a problem. Let's just take advantage of that. See, ooh, we just put in 80. Ooh, did we get? No, we did not get filled there at 80. Okay. All right, we might just have to cross this down. We are seeing it. Did we get that filled? No, we did not again. Oh man, we just keep on crossing down there on NVIDIA and missing the levels. So let's see. There it is. All right, so we'll cash out a little bit there on NVDA at 491.40. So there it is right there. That's a $5 club, not $6. It was up there. Let's see if it gets going. No more getting out of NVIDIA. We are holding for the dream because it was all a dream. Right now, Microsoft. Another one here. I just talked to Obi. Do you like the 230 break? If this guy says yes, then I put the order in. Look at this. 330 coming through for Microsoft. We talked about OpenAI hitting that. Was it billion revenue, I believe it was today, for OpenAI. We did have Microsoft on watch yesterday. Let me just read the story here that was in our chat. The information is reporting that OpenAI is not projected to surpass, right, so that is it. $1 billion in revenues this upcoming year, a significant leap. We do know that Microsoft has that $10 billion investment into OpenAI. Now, obviously, they've implemented that into their Bing platform there and various Teams models. So we'll wait to see what's happening right there. But I like the break anyways. So the market's starting to go. Microsoft is moving with the market. Let's see if we can get that play on board right now. But there goes NVIDIA, man. And honestly, really, really happy with that play there on NVDA. We were sad, but during that frown, upside down with NVIDIA. Here's my guy, Rob. Rob, NVIDIA is well ahead of every other chip maker. Would you agree with that or no? AMD is, you think, is going to be?
I think they've got the stronger contract.
CUTR.
Yeah. So Rob's talking about all the contracts. So very well-known guy over there. Rob talking that NVIDIA is probably better positioned right now in the space, but potentially there are room, is what he's telling me, for other chips to pick that up. AMD does have an AI chip coming out in September.
Oh, yeah, I heard about that.
So that could be a good flow through for AMD.
UPST.
All right, I'm going to hold this now. So we're profitable on the name. NVIDIA is a profitable trade for us today. So although we would have loved to have not gotten railroaded in the first 5 minutes of trade today, all we can do is learn from those mistakes. So we got in too early, Obi, and we will learn from the patient game. Hola, Kat. How are you?
Oh, no.
Okay, so just so I don't always get blamed, Kat is apparently not feeling well. So who is patient zero around here? Kat was the first one that had time off last week.
HE.
Stay out of it, Kat. Okay? Doesn't matter if it was your stomach or what it was. Okay? You were sick. We're just having fun around here anyways. Thankfully, she's here. This is where that air filter would come into play.
Yeah,
oh, shit, she's coughing. Oh, no, right now, forget about who's sick and who's not sick right now. I'm sick and tired of getting out of NVIDIA because there it is right now, man. I'm glad we told you, Hamster, to maybe look at this trade for a little bit of a longer time. I got a piece out there at $491.50, and here it goes. We are now $7 in the money on NVIDIA as it continues to climb in. We're net positive. Palantir starting to go as well. Back up. We have a 1585 marker right there for Palantir. So, man, oh man, we're starting to get going right now. Let's see if we can get going on this one. Palantir, nicely done to the upside. Let's see if it can cook, baby. But right now, it's NVIDIA that's cooking. So we've got the barbecue on blast right now. It's not, oh, we went to the Chinese buffet yesterday. My kid had 3 plates of prime rib. Chinese buffet. Brendo.
Little one, guys, getting destroyed today.
ICCT.
OTLK, FDA declining an application for their lead drug. So $1.50 at the close yesterday. Just broke 20 cents.
ICCT.
What was that, Dollar Tree?
OTLK.
OTLK, so not even close to Dollar Tree. That's wicked.
We can take a look at that.
Okay.
OTLK, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, man. Because I'm going to take a sip of this and watch the money through the laundry.
So yeah, I got a little short there on Amazon. As you know what, I kind of want to put this. Excuse me. I kind of want to put this one on as well here. Let me just get this done real quick. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about OTLK, right? All right. So OTLK. Wow, what's happening here? Heavy to the downside. Broke that dollar. I think I missed the news there. But yeah, after FDA setback. So yeah, that'll definitely do it. If it's a biotech and they're kind of they're one of their main drugs or one of their only products or their few products kind of gets rejected by the FDA, and that might have been the only reason why they were trading up here in the first place. So yeah, some heavy selling coming in on that, and a bit of a continuation out the open as well. So it seems like this is a name that's I definitely I don't want to really touch it myself, but yeah, those who like the pennies, definitely there's going to be opportunity here with a catalyst-driven move on a biotech, right? Got a little stopped out of that Amazon short there. Was it the Amazon short? No, not yet. There we go. Now we got stopped out of the Amazon short, and we got stopped out of the SPY short. Okay, all right. So let me just take a little bit of hands off. I might be fighting some of this pressure here. A little bit of a chop fest going on near these tops. We are slowing down. So maybe let's see what we do in and around this 451. Can we hold above this 451, right? Like I said, it was a little bit of a resistance here. Now I am kind of disrespecting that as we hold above that 451 by shorting it like this. But yeah, I guess I was looking for that turn, and that turn is nowhere to be found as of right now. But yeah, let's see who else is strong. Alphabet now kind of pushing towards its highs. So I guess we've been taking turns. Apple was pushing highs all day. It kind of still is, but now it's Alphabet kind of propping us up as well. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon not really there. It's still near the highs. But yeah, NVIDIA almost near that high of day at that 495-ish area. Let's see if we can really get there. Then I will definitely get long above these levels. But I am leaning a little bit to the short side because of how the momentum has kind of slowed down off of this run up. So if we just consolidate and hold some of these bottoms and then continue the next leg up, I will be wrong on that idea. But I still want to kind of try to keep hitting these longs potentially into pops. Maybe I should stop chasing the flushes, you know?
Yeah, probably, especially on a day like today. But there's nothing wrong with you know, trying to play some momentum there. And if you do flush down, we did have that Google. We looked at Google earlier, remember? And I was like, what? Google's low here as well? And then there it is. Wow, 137. Man, 18-month highs for the AI monster that is Google. So watch out for that. We had Tesla basically dead to rights down there. Unfortunately, our 250.05 did not fill. So we were 40 cents away from having a $6 winner. But again, we probably would have got some out here at 252 and then some at VWAP. But there it is, making that move back up. Remember, we did mark down this 258 as a possible breaking level. I mean, right there's 257.50. That's probably a little bit better than 258. But those wicks made it to 258 here. And again, those are just off 8 o'clock. So there could be some dark pool sort of shenanigans, as we like to say, happening up there. But here we go. The market doesn't have to go up every day forever. And you are seeing a little bit of a pullback. Tesla into 250. 254 might be something as well. Yeah, I feel like you're right there, SU, and this is what we're all talking about. Feels like Obi has the right calls. You just need to hold on for a little bit longer, right? So that's what it was. Oh, no, I'm not. This is a Neil move, man. Give Tesla 5 cents? Nah. I was going to give, I don't give any trade 5 cents. I gave Palantir 25 cents, and that's a $15 name. So again, the reason why I talk about that for Neil is because maybe he likes to scalp in and out maybe a little bit quicker, and there's nothing wrong with doing that whatsoever. It's different strokes for different folks, and he would not give Tesla 5 cents. That's not enough room. Okay, so my level for Tesla was going to be 248. So I wanted to start the bidding at 250 to get that in there. A 5 cent stop would be on a name. For me, no name really would be a 5 cent stop, but I mean, if you were trading something like a Ford or something like that, that was at a big level, like 12,
ICCT.
like if you went long at 1205 or 1206, then I could see, you know, stopping yourself out down there, breaking through $12. Palantir, when it's a little bit slower, I could see giving, let's go. I'm at 85 right now on Palantir right here. So, oh, it resisted the bang right there. So Palantir almost got it. Should we be patient or just taking 84? Let's wait for 85. If this doesn't get 85 now on Palantir, I'd be upset. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Boom. There it is right now. So we get an 85 right there on Palantir. So that's a good little look there. And again, if you're following with me on the sticky note, we have NVIDIA long, we have Tesla long, and we have Palantir long. We have all longs on the board today. And we talked about playing momentum. So it is going to be a green day for us. So that was good. But yeah, that's what I meant there, DJ Deckard Kane. Deckard Kane. DJ Deckard Kane. What? I'm seeing in the chat right now. That's probably a little bit of an overreaction. But there's Carvana. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee, where's my guy, man? He's just cruising around now. But there goes Carvana. Wow. Up through $50 and breaking again. Michael Noss, shout out to Michael Noss. He had a talk there about Carvana sort of boiling up down here into the $42 level and then breaking out with a significant... Oh, baby, right now, NVIDIA, $8 right now. So that's a good trade. But hold on a second. What did I want? I was looking for something. Oh, yeah, the Carvana short interest. So let's just have a quick look at what that still is. As there we go. Carvana blast off central here for CVNA. Yeah, so short float. Woo-wee. 41, Obi. On Carvana, making that one sing. So, yeah, that's a good little level right there, man. Yeah, good job, man. Carvana, everybody loving Carvana. So let's do a little bit of a roll call for those of you that are in this Carvana. Oh, man, we're doing quite well now as NVIDIA is definitely making your boy happy. What's up to Jason Holland? Yo, what's up, Jennifer? How you doing? What's up to David today? What's up to Damien is in the building. Luke Schoon is here. ACK is here as a member. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to shout out the members. Who are the members up here? Canadian Bacon is here. Isel Durr is here. Whoever keeps shorting Carvana is getting swatted. Hey, I've been swatted, not on that name, but on others. What's up to Rolling Records? He's a member. What's up to Aurora Alpha? Dees Nimitz is here. Oh, my God, everybody's here. D. Westermeyer's in the building. Kevin Stanford is here. Ty is here. Everybody is here, Obi. This is what we're doing. This is why we are the #1. My wife just sent me this article.
15.5 just broke.
Oh yeah, man, we're not going anywhere fast. We're going upside right now. Look at this, Yahoo Finance, saying it. Trader TV Live, the world's biggest trading show. Let's go. This is what we're talking about right now. Yeah, let's hit those. What's up, Fabian? You ruined my money. It's more about this, though. There it is right there. Shout out to Yahoo Finance. I'm getting emails right now from past guests, friends, shouting us out. And I responded to them. You know what they said? They said, Sean, congratulations to you and your whole team for this success. My response is, funny thing. We're just getting started, Obi. This is just the beginning of something very, very special that is brewing up now. This is now a $9 winner on NVIDIA, man. This is what we're doing. Look, your boy's getting goosebumps right now. Whenever we talk about the show's success, look, I feel it, man. This is what we're doing, and we're not stopping.
This isn't even our final form. This isn't even our final form.
This is not even close to the final form, man. We are getting going. I'm not even sure I know what that means, but we are getting ready to rock and roll here, Obi. Look, man, I'm happy to have you here. We're going to have Sharif. We're going to have Yannick. We're going to have Neil returning when he's ready. We've got Brendan at the desk. We've got Fabian. We've got Ramin. We've got Bears versus Bulls. And you know, the talent is growing. And then this guy, man, this guy's just cruising around Europe right now. We have a monster ready to come back and play for us next week. This is not stopping. Shout out to my family. I love you. All right, let's go.
AFRM.
That was beautiful, Sean. That was a beautiful.
It's called passion, man. It's not stopping. So
we're getting a bit of a sell-off here. I pieced off most of that position on the SPY there. Coming back into the 451. Let's see what we do with that 451. Kind of a sell-off coming in across the board. That 15,500 that I talked about right there, kind of giving us a little bit of trouble, a bit of a pullback there. So yeah, let's see what we do here. This is definitely a level of interest for me. Around 500 points. Away from 16, so that was around all-time highs, right? Around that 16 level. So yeah, we're not too far away from that. If we kind of continue this strength going forward, then I don't think it'll be very long before we start seeing some new highs on a lot of these names, right? So yeah, we're pretty close by. Let's see what we do with some of these levels. That 451 holding. This was crazy strength out the open, but now it seems like finally, like here's the thing. I started shorting Amazon pretty early because I started getting some signals which told me like, okay, we might be slowing down now. Sure, I did get stopped out in the chop, but look at the move kind of coming in and following through where that selling, that slowdown is really manifesting itself off that 15,500 price. Maybe that's what we were waiting for on this consolidation chop. But yeah, let's see. Now we finally have some sort of consolidation here on Amazon. Apple just keeps on going up. Apple is you know what? Maybe I read somewhere where a good thing to do is find strong short
ADTX.
Find strong names and get long, and find weak names and get short. And I think Apple might be one of those today, being hella strong, leading the market to the upside.
Yeah, where did you hear that craziness from? Yeah, that Apple is an absolute monster. And of course, I feel distraught right now because the hardest working member of Trader TV Live.
Hola, like and subscribe today.
We've got Kat in the building as well. So thank you. Shout out to Kat there. As I just went 1, 2, 3, 4 and forgot about that. So shout out to you, Kat. Right now, thanks for coming in. Although you are not feeling that well, we got to do that. Yeah, relative strength right now. I see what you're saying, Adam. Back in right there. I am watching this NVIDIA trade. Unfortunately, it went to 494, which was those pre-market highs. So that's probably an area where we should be considering getting out. So we do have an offer up there next time if and when it does get there, Obi. So the market could easily fall back in right now. Let's have a quick look at the S&P 500 right now. Fading back, so we just looked at 45. Now we're starting to come back in just a little bit on that name.
Will
We
resume
have
at 10
50
hours,
cents
23
like
minutes
as
and
if,
22
man,
seconds.
still staying up high. Let's just take another piece out. We're holding. Look, we understand that NVIDIA. You know, we didn't take it out at the very top there, but we're doing pretty good holding that. I feel like if we do take V1